In the jungles of Vijayanagar, there lived a clever mouse named Mushika. One day, he was roaming in search of food when suddenly it started raining. Mushika began searching for a place to hide. And that's when he found a dry piece of wood falling from above. As is the habit of mice, they collect anything that seems useful to them. And Mushika did the same by collecting the piece of wood. When the rain stopped, he walked ahead.
This rain has put me in trouble today.
What happened? You seem very stressed.
What do I say? All my firewood got soaked in the water. Now if my stove doesn't light up, how will I dry these raw clay pots? The pots need to reach the palace. And if I don't take them on time, the king will be upset.
The problem is serious. But I have a solution for your problem.
You yourself are a mouse. How will you help me?
Look, I have this dry piece of wood, which you can use to light a fire. And then the stove will also burn. And your clay pots will dry as well.
God bless you.
Well, tell me what you will give me in return for this wood.
What can a mouse ask from me? Fine, take whatever you want.
Not like that. Give me your word. What if you deny your promise later?
Okay, I promise.
All right. Give me this pumpkin.
What? The pumpkin? But how will you carry such a big pumpkin?
Leave it to me. Take this wood and keep the pumpkin safe. I'll come later to collect it. And remember, you have given your word. Why are you so sad, my friend?
So what should I do? This storm has scared my buffalo. And now she is not giving milk. If I don't sell milk, how will I cook at home?
Your problem is serious, but I also have a solution for it.
What did you say? You have a solution, but you are just a small mouse.
But I have a big pumpkin. If you want, you can take it and make a delicious meal out of it.
What? Really? But where is the pumpkin?
You can have the pumpkin, but what will I get in return?
Whatever you want.
Not like this. First, give me your word.
I give you my word. Now give me the pumpkin.
It's a deal then. Come with me.
So you're finally here to take your pumpkin? Look, it's kept safely. Brother, have you also promised him something?
Yes, I have made a promise.
Then you are in big trouble. Who knows what this mouse might ask for next? Land, property, gold, or even a house?
Pick up the pumpkin and fulfill your promise by giving me what I want.
What do you want?
I want your buffalo, yes.
Huh? What?
Look, don't forget your words. You have promised me.
Okay, take it.
In this way, Mushika cleverly traded the pumpkin for a buffalo with the milkman. Many days passed like this. And one day, when Mushika was wandering, his eyes fell upon a house where a wedding celebration was taking place.
It's a wedding celebration, yet you all don't seem happy. Is there a problem? Yeah?
Oh yes, we have a big problem. The milk didn't arrive to make the wedding kheer. Now without kheer, my wedding party will be incomplete.
That's all. take my buffalo and extract as much milk as you need. But in return, you will also have to give me something.
Yes, yes. Take whatever you want. There are delicious dishes prepared here. Eat as much as you want.
No. Not the food, but something else.
You will get what you want. This is my promise.
I hope you won't break your promise, huh?
Never.
All right. Then give me your bride in return. Bride in return. Bride in return. Bride in return. You have promised me in front of everyone. Now you cannot break it.
How dare you!
Wait! Leave him. I will go with him. You have given your word. And I will teach him such a lesson that he will never behave like this with anyone again. I'll come back soon again.
The bride was very clever. After thinking for a while, she decided to go with the mouse. The mouse left the buffalo there and walked towards his hole with the bride.
If you are a merchant, be like me. With a small piece of wood, I got a pumpkin. With a pumpkin, a buffalo. And with a buffalo, a bride. What a trade I have made. From today, this is your home. I have heard that humans make various delicious dishes. Today, you make laddus for me. Yeah.
Yes, why not? Tell me, where are the ingredients for making laddus? Coconut, ghee, jaggery. Tell me, where are they?
I don't have all these.
So should I make laddus out of mud? Oh, it seems like it's going to rain. How do I protect myself from the rain?
Come inside my hole quickly.
In the hole? But how? I can't even fit my foot in there.
Okay, climb the tree.
Very smart. You'll sit comfortably in your hole and you're telling me to climb a tree so that I get wet? What do I do if I fall sick?
All right, go hide in the nearby temple.
So that thieves come and steal all my jewelry? If you can't ensure my safety, why did you bring me here?
Oh no, what trouble she is. It would have been better to eat the food instead of bringing her here.
Okay, don't get angry. If you don't mind, can I call my friends over here? I'm sure they'll keep me safe.
Yes, do whatever you want.
Are you sure? You won't get angry, will you?
I won't get angry at all.
Not like this. You have to promise me first.
Oh, what trouble have I brought upon myself? Okay, I promise. Oh no, where did they come from?
These are my friends, Ram and Sham. Friends, come on, save me.
Run! Save me! I made a mistake. You go back.
Are you sure? Don't back off from your words later.
No. I promise. You go and take your friends with you.
The bride left the mouse in his hole and returned to her home. Poor mouse, after doing so much business, was left empty-handed.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.